worry about the interview. First foremost thing, you should be very relaxed for the interview. When you're attending the RMS interview or any interview, you should be very, very relaxed. And first thing is, see that you are fluently talking in English. Don't break. When you're talking in English, continue to talk in English, right? And since you have applied for north side, people will look into your, since you are from a defense background, they will test your knowledge in defense. Okay, that means you should be aware of what are your father's profile, what is his rank, what does he do. Okay, if he has participated in any of the battles or wars or something like that, okay, as a soldier, please make a note of it. Like which year, where did he work? All these things are very important because since you're applying under defense category. Okay, that is very, very important.
Yes,
and one more thing is, you will be asked few basic questions which will be talking about your family, okay, about your school, about your parents' schooling, career, games, what you play, where are you from, which town or which village, all these. You should know the profession of your parents, the income, age of your parents, brothers or sisters if you have, and your school information is very important. Which school are you studying, which class, who is your headmaster, who is your principal, who is your games teacher, all your teachers' name, you should be knowing it. Okay, and also the alumnus of your school, that is any famous personalities who have passed out from your school, they will be there, right? You should know their names. Okay, that is very important. And first and foremost is, don't worry about what question they will ask, what they will tell. Nothing, it is not very difficult at all, uh, uh, Anurag, because it is a general. How, the only thing is, how confident are you? How are you speaking? How is your body language? All these things, whether you are fit for the admission or not, they will see. Okay. So don't get tensed at all. First thing is, make sure, this is very important, the guidelines for interview. Okay. That is, the candidate should wear neat and clean clothes. Make sure that you are dressed properly, iron the clothes, see that your collar are perfect. If you're wearing full hand shirts, make sure you have your handcuff buttoned. All these are very, very important. And if you're going in a formal dress, your shoes must be polished, neat shoes. Socks, if you're wearing, you should not roll down your socks. You know how you go to school, how you get to school when you're
yes,
going, right?
ma'am.
Neatly ironed clothes. Okay, that is very, very important. And get your haircut done properly. Groom yourself. Drink lot of water. Be calm. This is very, very important because first impression is the best impression, as they say. So first, when
Yes,
the way you dress, the way you present yourself is very, very important in the interview. Okay. And then, you should not
yes,
feel nervous. Okay. And you enter the interview room with the confidence. There may be a panel of people sitting in front of you, maybe 2 people, maybe 3 people or 4 people. But don't get
yes,
scared. They are all normal people. They just question you. Where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies? Like that. Be confident enough to answer them. Okay. And you should walk into the room and you should be attentive. Okay. And first thing, a smart salute is important. A big smile. Good morning, sir, or good morning, madam. Greet them respectfully. Okay. If you have sir, wish them
yes, ma'am.
good morning. If you have madam, good morning, ma'am. Wish them with a big smile. That is very important. Okay. And if the interviewer, the person who is going to interview you, lends his hand to give you a shake in, Move forward, give a light shaken and take your hand back. Okay. Do not hold it with two hands. Do not hold it tightly and keep on giving shaken. Okay. Just one hand, a small shaken is enough. Okay. Very lightly. These are very, very important. After the handshake, you should, if they offer you to sit, you have to tell when you sit down, thank you, sir. Okay. When you sit down, you have to tell thank you, sir. That is very, very important.
Okay.
That is very, very important because all these minute gestures are very, very important, people. Right? And they will see. You should not talk in between. Allow them to finish the question. Listen to them carefully when they are talking to you, right? Give them time to finish the question properly. Listen to them clearly. Okay, if you don't understand, tell them, sir, can you please repeat the question? You can ask them. When you are not clear about something, ask them to repeat the question. That is very, very important. Okay. And also,
Okay,
when you
ma'am.
are answering them, don't run very fast. Do not run very fast. Okay. When you're talking to them, give pauses, have a break. Okay. Answer to the point clearly. Don't drag your answer. If I ask you, from which city are you coming? If I ask you, what you will tell?
Ma'am, I will tell, ma'am, I am coming from Hyderabad, ma'am, which is also a twin city of Secunderabad.
Wrong. You're not going to answer this way. You will tell, I am coming from Hyderabad, from the state of Telangana. That much is enough. Okay. Then if suppose they ask you, what do you know about your city? You have to know about your city, Hyderabad, right? So you will tell it is called the city of Nawabs. It is a twin
Yes,
city.
ma'am.
It is a twin city where the Hussain Sagar divides the city into two. One is Secunderabad and
Yes,
Hyderabad, right? And we have famous tourist places like Golconda Fort, Charminar, Salarjung Museum, all these prominent places, Birla Mandir, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
all these you have to be aware of your city. And who is the
Yes.
current CM of Telangana, who is the governor of Telangana, all these be prepared. Okay. They may ask you a question.
Okay, ma'am.
And the state festival of Telangana is Batukamma. Okay.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
and November 1st is the state formation day. So all
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
okay. So like this, they will ask
Yes.
questions. Every question will be related to GK. Okay. That is, they will pick the questions from your answers itself. Right.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
say, what are your hobbies? Anurag, Vipul,
Yes,
what are your hobbies? Can you please tell me?
ma'am, my hobbies is to read books and know about the new facts.
Okay. So reading books is your hobby. So they may ask about books and authors. What is your favorite book?
Yes, ma'am.
Who you have one or two books name, which is your favorite book. In that book, which character you like the most, who's the author of the book, and some information about the author. Right? They might ask you, who wrote this book? Who's the author of
Yes,
this
ma'am.
particular book? Why do you like it? What is so special
Yes,
about this book? All these kind of questions they will ask you. Okay. And then you should answer respectfully by using the words like please and sir wherever it is important. And do not over answer the question. To the point, short and sweet sentences. To the point, you have to answer them, right? And that
okay,
is
ma'am.
very, very important. And also, do not get confused. If you're feeling that you're confused, excuse me, sir, please can you explain me this? I am not clear with it. Be very frank, okay? Don't get afraid of them.
Okay, ma'am.
You should speak out. When you speak out, you will gain more confidence. Okay. And also be clear when you are talking to face. Okay. Don't avoid eye contact. When you're talking to the opposite person, you should look into their eyes and speak. Because why you have to look into their eyes and speak is that means you are confident enough. Okay. Don't look here and there, look above and side and all. Be confident. If suppose you're talking to Aarti ma'am, you will look into my eyes and speak. That means you're confident, you're comfortable with me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You're going to do it in that way. And then do not, if you do not understand a question, very, very important, please ask them. Would you please repeat the question for me, sir? I have not understood this question. I am confused about this question. Can you please repeat it once again? So use sir, ma'am, or please, thank you very much. Okay. And after you finish the interview, if you don't know any answer, please tell them, frankly, sir, I don't know this question. I don't know this answer. Tell them, do not think, do not try to think. If you're not getting the answer, tell them frankly, sir, I'm not clear with the question and I don't know the answer. That is, they appreciate frankness. That's all, Anurag. This is very, very important. Okay. So your today's homework,
Okay, ma'am.
get to know about your father's profession, everything about it. And if he is into the army or navy or anything, whatever is the current development in that field. I think your father is in army.
Okay.
So what are the current developments? Who have become the
Yes.
chief of Indian Army? All these, please make a note of it. And where does your father camp? Where does he work? Which camp he belongs to? All these you should be aware of. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right? So you prepare
Yes.
this and keep. Tomorrow we will have a mock interview. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. You can leave Anurag.